Hello everyone, welcome to our journey of transforming small living space into a functional masterpieces. Today we dive into the challenges of crafting a cozy living room that seamlessly integrates a dining table. Many of us faces limited space, making it a puzzle to arrange furniture without compromising comfort or style. But fear not, we are here to explore ingenious solutions that prioritize space optimizing. In this video series, we will unravel the secrets of small living room design, focusing on the often overlooked dining areas. Join us, we emphasize the critical rule of smart solution, those clever ideas that unlock the full potential of your compact space, providing that size is not upscale to great design. In this living room, make the most of your space with dual purpose furniture. Consider sofa beds that effortlessly transform into a guest bed or coffee table with hidden storage for extra versatility. Showcase innovative design that seamlessly serve both living and dining functions. Dive into the aesthetic aspects of dual purpose furniture. Showcase design that not only serve a functional purpose but also contribute to the overall visual appeal of the room, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Explore stylish options that align with their personal taste, providing that small space can be both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Arranging furniture statically can transform a compared living room into a spacious haven. Start by selecting opportunity scaled furniture that fit the room admissions. Consider floating furniture away from wall to create visual depth. Option for open leg design that allow light to pass through, maintaining an airy feel. Emphasize vertical lines to draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of heights. Utilize multifunctional pieces like ottomans of necessity tables to maximize functionality without overcrowding. Experiment with symmetrical arrangement for a dynamic touch. Remember, less is often more in a small space. Declutter and only keep essential. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference in how spacious your living room appears. In a concept living room, the flow and functionality of the space are paramount for comfort and practicality. Arrange furniture to create clear pathways, avoiding obstacles that dip the natural flow. Consider the room's focal point, whether it is a window, fireplace, or TV, and arrange furniture around it. Option for lightweight and versatile pieces that can be easily arranged to depth to different around it. In a concept living room, the flow and functionality of the space are paramount for comfort and practically arrange furniture to create clear pathway, avoiding obstacles that drift the natural flow. Consider the room focal point, whether it is a windows, fireplace, or TV, and arrange furniture around it. Option for lightweight and versatile pieces that can be easily arranged to depth to different activities. Maximize natural light to open up the space and use mirror statically to reflect light and give the illusion of expensive. Ensure that each piece serves a purpose and contribute to the overall functionality by focusing on flow and functionality. Incorporating creative lighting solution can transform a small living room into a stylish and welcoming space. Option for floor and table lamps with upward facing shades to bounce light off a ceiling, creating a soft ambient glow. The solution not only brighten the room but also contribute to an inviting atmosphere by playing with light placement and fixture. You can achieve a dynamic and visual appealing environment that defy the limitation of a small space. Understanding the rule of lighting is key to creating a cozy yet spacious feel in a small living room. Soft, warm toned light such as warm white LED contribute to a comfortable ambience, making the room feel inviting. Dimmer switches providing control over the intensity of the lighting, allowing for flexibility based on the desired mode. Incorporate task lighting in functional areas like reading corner or dining space to enhance ability by statically placing light to highlight specific feature of focal point. You guide attention away from the room size. Fostering thoughtful lighting cues not only create coziness but also play a pivotal in crafting the illusion of a more expensive living space. In small living room, story is a game changer. Embrace style solution that do not sacrifice space. Consider furniture with bullet-in storage like ottomans with hidden compartments or coffee tables with shelves. These pieces add functionality without clutter. Option for wall mounted shelves to free up floor space and display decorative items. Emphasize the importance of vertical storage, utilizing the height of the room for practically and aesthetically appeal. Unlock the potential of hidden storage solution to maintain a clean and uncluttered look. Explore furniture pieces with secret compartment or clarity cornered storage areas. Bench sitting showcase how wall mounted cabinets and floating shelves can discreetly house items without compromising the room style. Highlights the versatility of furniture designed to serve multiple purposes, such as a stylish ottomans that also provide extra storage by seamlessly integrating storage into the decor. In the question for space efficient living, we unveil a variety of small dining table style perfect for compact space. Explore foldable table that cleverly adapt to your needs, extending when guests arrive or folding away when not in use. Discover sleek pendant table that offer a modern touch while saving pieces floor space. Additionally, explore wall-mounted and drop-leaf tables that can be neatly tucked away when not in use, maximizing room versatility. Deliver into the crucial aspect of selecting the perfect dining table to harmonize with your overall design. Understand the significance of proportions, a table that fit seamlessly into the room without the overpowering space. Consider materials and finishes that compartment your living room aesthetic, creating a cohesive look. Whether option for a round table to promote flow of or a rectangular one for a formal touch, we will guide you thought the decision making process. Discover how to right dining table becomes an integral part of your small living room's design, enhancing both style and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please try incorporating dual purpose furniture to make the most of limited space. Sharing their experience in the comments section. Emphasize the importance of community feedback and how their insights can inspire these facing similar challenges.